Well, good morning, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden again, and it's just too lovely a day not to share with you. Just got some plants from the perennialfarmmarketplace.com. These are some of the new hellebores. I just love these variegated ones. This is Dorothy's Dawn. Turning out this is going to be a great plant and great fun. As I walk with you a little bit here, I got a bunch of other hellebores, of course, and just want to show you, I don't know if you can tell, that's a clematis going up a witch hazel, and this is Holdine. Light's going to get bad here, sorry, but it's going up a witch hazel, and those are beautiful white flowers. I'm looking forward to that. It's going to be a pretty good year. Some cool heucherellas, but of course we had late frost. So the hydrangeas, at least the mop heads, they look like hell and probably not going to do much. That's a new one, of course, but the old ones aren't much better. I'll just finish off this little ditty with this really cool trillium. This is Trillium underwoodii, one of our natives, actually native to the southeast United States. It's really pretty, and it is March. For those of you under snow, I apologize, but come on over and visit. Beautiful Athens, Georgia. Love to share it with you. All the best.